Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Halloween Dollar Tree DIY video. Today I'm showing you how I put these haunted farmhouse decor items together using Dollar Tree items. If you want to see how I put these together, then please keep watching. To start with, I made a sign with this quote I put together on photojet.com. I saw a similar quote online, but it said mansion. I changed out a few of the words to match with farmhouse. It says, when hinges creak in doorless rooms and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls, wherever candlelights flicker where the air is deadly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. I cut out the sign to go right on top of this Dollar Tree wood sign. I used a ton of Mod Podge and I was pretty sloppy with it since I didn't care for it to look perfect. I also rubbed Mod Podge on the sides real good to lay them down. Once it was nice and glued, you could see some of the wood through the paper, which I loved. I went ahead and sanded it down some to give it more of a rustic look. I then took this little wood skull and glued it right above the quote. I got paint on the original jute hanger, so I just removed it and added some Dollar Tree twine to replace it. That's all I did for this adorable $1 sign. I will leave my quote I made for it down in the description box below. Next, I took these wood mansion cutouts from the Dollar Tree. You can see here that one was broken, but I just glued it later on to fix it. And I painted them both white. I took a black Sharpie and ruler to make a faux shiplap to the large house. I also colored in the roof with some black paint. I next arranged some Dollar Tree popsicle sticks around the roof the way I wanted them. For the sides, I kept it simple with just 2 popsicle sticks. I painted all the sticks black. While they were drying, I sanded down the house to make it look more imperfect. Once I was done, I hot glued all the sticks down. I like how the sticks resemble shingles a little bit. Next, I added in some little black shutters with more popsicle sticks. I made some of the shutters look like they were falling down or crooked. I also added in little Dollar Tree bat rings to the house. I just cut off the ring part and then hot glued the bats down. I also boarded up the doorway and quickly made a little orange sign that said "Keep Out" that I hot glued down. To finish, I just added these Dollar Tree lights to the back of each window using Scotch tape to hold them down. That is all I did for this adorable haunted farmhouse. For the small one, I kept it more simple. I boarded the doorway as well and added in some black shutters. I went around the house with a black Sharpie to outline it and make it pop more. I added a couple of Dollar Tree ghost stickers to the house and then drew in some faux bricks. I also traced out the roof to finish up this really cute house. As DIY, I used this paint set that comes with a little black easel. Looking back, I wish I would have just left it alone instead of tracing it, but I went through and traced it all out and then sanded it down some. I then hot glued some twine to frame it out and to finish it up. To display everything, I used my Dollar Tree tier tray. I laid some faux greenery down as well as some DIY Dollar Tree garland. I later switched the bottom sign and the Dollar Tree lantern around because I didn't like how they looked. I finished by adding these Dollar Tree back clips throughout the display. That is everything for my Dollar Tree haunted farmhouse decor. I hope you guys will try some of these out yourselves. If you do, definitely tag me over on Instagram so I can see what you come up with. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.